Yes, I'm going to show the paper here and then we start doing it. Hopefully you can see my screen. That is the paper. You are supposed to answer one question from, we have question 1, question 2, question 3. So choose one question and you attempt that. Submit your answers in the Google Classroom as we have always indicated. So I will play for you a video on how you can submit your work on Google Classroom. Hopefully you can still see my screen.
Oh my God! Lucia! Lucia! That's really.
Students and parents, you will find the exam under Google Classroom. So you will open Google Classroom app on your phone, which you have been using all along. And then you click on your class. You should be able to have already your class there, which you have been using to access the work. So you go under classwork, you will find there the exam called assessment. It is going to be there. Now, when you open, you will see the instructions there, and then you will see the question paper attached at the bottom. So what you have to do is you open that attachment, the question paper, and you'll be able to find the exam there. If you have a printer, you can print it out, but if you don't have, you just copy this down on a paper. You copy down the questions for each question you copy, and then you also fill in the answers. Okay, so now the child here is copying the exam as she writes down. If you have a printer, you can print out the paper and she writes on the paper, but in this case, she is just writing, copying from the phone as she does the exam. After you have filled in the answers, you come here and you click on add work. So there are many options here. You can use the upload option if you have another app for scanning, which you have when you have already scanned your work as a PDF. But you can use this other option here of scanner to scan from here direct. So you click on scanner, and when you click on scanner, it is going to ask you to scan your work. So you come here and you scan. If your work has many pages, you scan the first page like this. That is the first page. You press that tick. After you have scanned the first page, at the bottom here you click on this other button for plus, and you use that to add the second page. At the bottom you add the second page of your work. Okay, so after you have added your second page, you also put a tick. You can rotate if it is not. You can add another page of your work. You can add another page. Okay, so you press the tick again. So you have all your pages added, 3 pages of your work, all of them are there. Then you click on save. So when you click on save, it is going to be added there as a PDF of the work that you have done. So when you do that, it is going to show you your work scanned, and then you click on turn in. You ask you, do you want to turn in? You say turn in. So there it will turn in your work and your work will be submitted for the teacher. That is how you are supposed to do the exam. Thank you.
Ayaka shoulders her family's duty to cherish the aspirations of
So members, that is the video on how meeting your work. Can someone go to the classroom and show us the work? Display your screen and show us the work. Share screen and show us the work on Google Classroom, and then we continue to do it. Who can show the screen? Share. Who is ready to share screen? So here is our exam. We can start doing, and then we shall submit in our Google Classroom. Late submission is 9 p.m. So do one number, then you submit in the Google Classroom. So someone who can show screen on where the exam is located, that's what I want from you, so that you know that you have access to the paper. Yes, Elvis, you can share screen. Elvis, unmute, then share screen.
Okay, teacher. So, sorry.
Don't put on video, but share screen and
Okay.
show us how to find the exam.
So, are you seeing my screen? Yes.
You need to share it.
Okay. Sorry.
Another person share screen, Bridget, Geoffrey, Vanessa. You can share screen and show us where the paper is, then we go. Are we okay? Can we end the meeting? Geoffrey, can you share screen? Geoffrey, able to share screen? Or if we are okay, we can end the meeting. Have a great evening.
Okay, Favor.
Yes, you go to Google Classroom and show us where the work is. Look for your app. Go to your apps, you look for Google Classroom app, you open and show us. Okay, let's go in the Google Classroom, submit the paper, then I will be marking. Have a great day.